guys, today we are seeing a low bed semi-trailer we made for the China market. Sorry about the noise, we are building a new workshop over there and it will be finished soon. And you can see this red colored low bed is looking a little bit weird. It is a little bit tilt to the end like this because it does not have any landing gear. Because it does not have any landing gear, so it looks like a little bit higher at the rear and lower in the front. If we come closer, same as all the other trailers, we have air connection, left and right, and the electricity socket and ABS socket nameplate. Here is indicator light for ABS. We haven't installed it yet, but we have already put the hole over there. It's here. Okay, so here is the kingpin channel. You can see there are the drain holes, which we will leave make the water go off from it. And here is the kingpin. We weld the kingpin over there, and we put some rubber here to make sure the wire does not touch it and cut it. Here we have a toolbox, 1, 2, and we have another toolbox here, another toolbox here. So you can see we put this small stuff as a locking hole over there to prevent it to open itself during the driving. And if you put it there, you cannot open it. If you remove it, then you can open it and put something over there. This kind of stuff is very easy to buy from your local market. So if you don't have any, you can buy one from your grocery store. Okay, this is a rope fastener. You can put the rope over there and fasten it. If you have some special rope, it does not have a way to go through it, you can use this one. This one you can just this end is open, so you can put the rope there. This is the ratchet. You see this ratchet, you can turn it anytime you want. So once you put the rope over here, and then if you rotate it, it cannot go back. If you want to go back, it will lock itself. But if you want to go by the clockwise, it will turn. But you cannot go counterclockwise. Here's the side protection to prevent any small stuff go under to the bottom of the trailer. This one, we call it steel bars. And in the left and right, you can see we have some over there. So the big machinery can go to the top of the loading deck very easily. And also you can see here is having a very weird steel plate. And it also has one over there. See? Why we have something like that? Okay, think about the big machinery with a wider wheel space. So it may go too much further and the tire might stuck off to the loading deck. So those two plates are prevent the big machinery's wheel go very further. This one is the gooseneck because it looks like a goose, and it is also one part of the maybeam. It go along with the maybeam to the rear. You probably has realized the loading deck is quite short. Yes, this is a special made one for our client. We have 3 axles, 1, 2, 3. The reason we leave the gap open, it is because the loading deck is too low and you cannot seal it. Let me show you this way. If you seal it, once the trailer bumps, the steel plate on the top would cut the tire. So you have to change the tire. That's why we leave the 6 hole open. Each hole has 2 tires. By this way, we can see the tires more easily than the other trailers. We have a special place in the middle, and also we have a drain hole over there. You can see today is raining and the water goes to over there. But if we don't have those 6 holes, the water gonna stuck there for a very, very long time. The suspension we're using for this trailer is a little bit different than the others. See, you can see the torque arm is on the top of the spring. It is usually at the bottom of the spring. And also you can see the spring is at the bottom of the axle. It is usually on the top of the axle. We call this upside down suspension because we need to have a low height loading deck. So we have to modify for the suspension to make sure it would work. Otherwise, the leaf spring gonna touch the bottom flange. It's gonna damage the main beam. Okay, here is the rear of the trailer. And you can see we still have a huge rope hook here. And also another ratchet over there. We have a safety chain here. The safety chain is try to prevent the rear loading ramp accidentally fall off during the driving. So we put chain over there and we lock it, then it will lock itself. So here you can open this one here and open it. And this one, we have a cross-shaped hole. If you want to get it through, you need to make it higher. So once you get it through, this one will lock it down. Here we have 2 support small legs for each ramps. So totally we have 4. And we have springs to help the people to push the ramp down and help the people to lift the ramp up. We have 2 for each ramp. So the 2 ramps, we have 4 of them. This is a reflecting plate, very big one. It is made by Chinese regulation. And those are the reflecting tapes, red and white, also according to the Chinese road regulation. At the rear, we have indicator light there and there, license plate light, and the reverse light, braking light, and a triangle reflector, also according to the Chinese regulation. Okay. This one is looking the same. And I think that would be all for today. If you have any other questions or comments about us, please leave us comments or send us messages. Thank you very much, guys. I hope to see you guys next time. Bye-bye.